Yes. Just to show you guys, come to see the result. Okay, the chicken already start to use it, yeah, for laying eggs. That's good. But for tuna today, I only have one. It's normal. It's normal. It's normal because this changing, yeah, can cause stress on the chicken, or they may will lay the eggs another place. If they don't accept it, they may will lay the eggs another place. So I feel happy at least one. This one, I believe the bigger one will lay the eggs there. So that's good. I will leave it this one here. Yeah. Leave this one here. So yeah. Good. Not bad. I just hope the small one start to use it also for the egg. Excuse my voice because this is allergy season, so I need to cover my. I have to use a mask and cover myself due to allergy. Okay, my lovely people, love you, and all is well.